good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan, the Best J Square Photography, bring you back another video. 2, 3. Now, today I have with me
Cheyenne.
She is here that's going to help us out with this video, guys. I'm in a very familiar place. I have done a couple of shoots here before. Been a while though, so I decided to come on, hop over here because I just like the whole aesthetic of this place for some reason. I just don't know what it is, but I just love it. Cheyenne got a couple of outfits that she's going to do today. So we're going to do this, and then the second outfit, we're going to go somewhere over here where it's a bunch of white, so I kind of really bling out this black dress that we got going on here. So we're going to take a little walk over there. We're just going to do this here. The sun is going down pretty quickly, so we're going to be shooting pretty fast. Now, Cheyenne, how you feel about the shoot? Are you ready? What's going on?
I'm ready. I'm nervous.
She's nervous, guys.
It's been a while since I took some pictures or did a photo shoot or anything.
She's nervous, guys. And you know what that means. You're making some bad photos.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right, she's ready, guys. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. And let's get to work.
All right, I'm ready.
Let's get to work, guys. Got some witchcraft going on over here. You know what I'm saying? Some backup there. The hell of it. Full time. And if that makes sense, right?
You're taller. Everybody's taller than I am.
Yeah, really. I don't think I want to go that dark either. Maybe I do though. Who knows? Get you right here. I like that. I like it. Okay. You got some good posing skills there. You got good. You got good posing skills there. Hang on. All right, 1, 2, 3. Fucking car. Hang on, get 1, 2, like that. Look, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, okay, okay. You may know what you're doing a little bit. What? All right. Let's take a couple steps back, and I'm gonna get you walking. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Keep looking out just like that, yeah. Put your leg up on one side. Yeah. Let's get a little separation. Look at me. Yep. Hang on, wait for the car to move, all right. Yep. Good job.
I like this.
3. Yeah, I like that look. Give me that fierce look. I'm fierce. I'm fierce, bitch.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah.
Might make me look like I'm a little naked on the top, but...
Let me see, maybe I want to get low with it. All right, now turn more right there. Keep on turning, bam, right there, yeah. Oh, hang on. I'm having focusing problems. All right, here we go. Nope, hang on, I'm lying. Just don't want to focus right. Come on, bitch. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, sir. That works out. All right, let's get you changed. That works out. Boom.
Yeah, I like the brilliance.
We'll see how much juice I can get out of this thing. All right, let's get you dead center. Bam. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Right. Go back a little bit. I'm trying to figure out how I can get this light at. Okay, that works. Right there. Right there. Right there, my precious. Fuck. I don't have a extra battery for this thing. And this is just me being honest. I feel like this is your fault. Yeah, this is totally your fault though.
I accept full responsibility.
Okay, thank you. All right, now this is a whole lot brighter. Now I can scoot this back here. I'm gonna go up just a tad bit more about right there. Oh yeah, we're good, we're Gucci. Love the look. There we go. Love it. Here we go, 1, 2. Yep, I'm just gonna be snappy. You can go ahead and move naturally. Yeah. Take a couple steps back, yeah. Now come on forward, yeah. Yes, sir. Don't hurt him. Yes, sir. Look at the transition. The transition. All right, take a chill. Yep. Keep on going. Yep. Yeah, I like it. Good job. Yeah, I like that. Yep.
Tell me when.
Okay, go ahead. Good job. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more time. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, really take that step out. All right. Yes, sir, I like how you did it with your eyes, yeah. Bring your head down just a tad bit more like that. Yeah, there it is.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, they are so amazing. Yeah, I like that. Hold it just like, no, bring it just like that. Hold it just like that. Yeah, that's perfect for me. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, yep. Good job. Bring your arms up just a tad bit though. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I need right there. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's fine. Because you just did something there, because you was here. Guess you kind of took your left leg. Oh, okay. That's fine. Make your hands look more relaxed. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm gonna have you lean on this wall real quick. Yep, just lean right on it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at her out here killing. What? Come on now. Don't be playing with her out here. She ain't the one to be finagled with. Besides her friends. Now, you made it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed those pictures that me and Cheyenne just put in for you. Now, Cheyenne, how did you enjoy the shoot today?
It was fun.
Did you come in, are you gonna come back?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back.
Oh man, she hesitated on that one. I'm gonna ask one more time.
I'm gonna come back.
Are you gonna come back?
Yeah, as long as you're gonna take more pictures.
I ain't taking no more pictures, man. She hesitated when I asked her.
It wasn't hesitation.
What was it then?
It was me thinking about how enthusiastic I needed to be about my yeah. I
don't believe it, guys. Let me know if y'all believe that now. Comment down below if y'all tell me if she was really excited or she just hesitating on me. All right, guys, as you can see, it's now dark time, guys. Went ahead and take advantage of this nice little walkway right here, guys. I absolutely love this vibe in the nighttime. It just gave out a whole entire vibe. It definitely worked out like I was thinking in my head because she had the black dress with the white wall, which came out amazing. Of course, I'm shooting with the adapter of the AD200, just using that model lamp because I didn't bring the Ninja out, guys. I need to start bringing the Ninja out because I'm doing like a lot of shoots around this time, 6:30 golden hour time, and somebody was late. I ain't gonna say no names, but okay, guys. Is there anything else you want to say to the peeps?
Come get your pictures done.
All right, you heard it, guys. Of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be in the description box below. Of course, would have popped on the screen. Bye now. And to the next video. To the next video, guys.
To the next video.
Peace. Peace.
I always have a problem with putting my shoulders back though. That's what my friend used to yell at me about the phone.
Did she yell at you and say, put your goddamn shoulders back?
Yes.